Every tractor begins its life here, where raw earth gives us the steel that shapes power. Thousands of tons of iron ore are gathered to forge the tractor's backbone. From the mine face to the crusher, each load moves the journey forward. Crushing prepares the ore for the fiery transformation to come. Precision begins long before the factory, down to every grain of ground ore. At over 1500 degrees, ore becomes molten iron, the core of tractor frames. Liquid iron cools into solid steel, ready to be shaped into strength. Precision rolling forms the sheets used in tractor bodies and chassis. Once cooled, the steel stabilizes, strong, uniform, and ready for shaping.
Rubber for tractor tires begins far from the factory, in quiet plantations.
Elected latex becomes the foundation of rugged tractor tires. Through chemical settling, soft latex turns into solid natural rubber. Pressed and shaped, these sheets prepare for vulcanization.
Before reaching factories, raw rubber must dry to the perfect consistency.
Raw materials set sail across oceans to steel plants worldwide. Natural rubber follows its own journey to tire manufacturing plants.
Here, steel is refined to exact grades required for tractor components.
Only certified steel moves forward toward the factory where tractors take shape. With materials approved, their journey toward tractor production begins. Each load carries the foundation of frames, engines, and axles. Rail networks move heavy materials faster and more efficiently. Across landscapes, the supply chain never sleeps. Natural rubber travels thousands of kilometers for tire manufacturing. Every component, from steel to rubber, converges toward one destination. Road networks complete the final leg of the material's journey. Here stands the birthplace of modern agricultural machinery.
Every shipment is verified before entering controlled grounds. A facility this vast moves like a living organism.
Materials are positioned exactly where the manufacturing line requires. Precision lifting systems move materials with millimeter accuracy. Rubber will soon begin transformation into durable tractor tires. Digital traceability ensures each component is accounted for.
From frames to engines, every batch is directed precisely where needed.
Material flow inside the factory is a carefully choreographed system. In these aisles rest the raw elements of future tractors.
Now the materials enter the heart of tractor manufacturing. A tractor factory is a world of precision, built on scale, discipline, and engineering.
Thousands of skilled hands arrive each day to create machines that power farms. Before any part is shaped, the factory breathes through constant material flow.
Behind these doors lies the birthplace of every tractor frame.
Safety comes first. No machine moves without strict protective protocols.
Within these halls, raw steel becomes the skeleton of the tractor.
A sprawling ecosystem of machines works in harmony under one roof.
The first step inside, positioning steel for precision cutting.
The cutting hall is where raw form turns into usable tractor components.
Every piece is cut with micrometric precision to ensure perfect assembly later.
Complex geometries shape engine mounts, cabins, brackets, and frame plates.
Every cut is verified. Accuracy is non-negotiable.
Next comes welding, the stage where thousands of parts become one machine. Automation ensures consistency, speed, and safety.
Skilled welders perfect the details that robots cannot reach. Finishing removes imperfections, creating flawless contact surfaces. Each subframe waits its turn on the production path. Now these raw structures move toward cleaning and sorting before core assembly begins. Before assembly begins, every component must be perfectly clean. Sorting organizes parts by size, purpose, and processing sequence. Dust, filings, and residues are removed to prevent imperfections later. Degreasing removes oils left from cutting and machining.
Multiple stages wash, rinse, and heat treat each component.
Rinsing removes all chemical traces, leaving pure, bare metal. Completely dry surfaces ensure paint and coatings bond perfectly later. A final human touch ensures every detail meets factory standards. Parts automatically separate according to weight and geometry. Precision sorting prepares each piece for its correct production line. Defluxing eliminates debris that could interfere with critical joint welding. Automation polishes edges for safe handling and precise fitting. Tumbling removes burrs and polishes surfaces to factory-grade smoothness. A protective layer keeps steel pristine before fabrication.
Ultraviolet inspection highlights flaws invisible to the naked eye. Each part is sorted to the exact location needed for upcoming stages.
Cleaned components now move toward transformation.
With preparation complete, steel enters the core processing stage.
This is where steel truly begins its transformation into tractor form.
A heavy-duty jig ensures every tractor frame begins perfectly aligned. Robots lock components in place with quick, flawless tack welds.
Human expertise strengthens every joint beyond robotic capability.
Perfectly even welds ensure flawless fit during assembly.
Computer-controlled machining cuts with unmatched accuracy. Every milled surface must be free from microscopic debris.
Dry metal is essential for accurate geometric testing. A trillion data points ensure every frame matches exact tractor specifications.
Strong tractors require reinforced load-bearing areas. Reinforced joints ensure tractors survive decades of rugged fieldwork.
Every subframe connects to create the tractor's skeletal foundation.
Critical bushing inserts are pressed with perfect force tolerance.
Thousands of holes must be drilled to exact specs to ensure secure assembly.
Clean surfaces prevent contamination during later assembly stages. Each component receives a unique identity for lifetime traceability.
Now the completed chassis moves toward the main transformation stage.
The structure is ready. Now it will become a tractor. Here begins the transformation from steel frame to working tractor. Precision jigs secure the frame so every component aligns perfectly. Strong front axles prepare the tractor for steering and heavy front loads. The heart of the tractor arrives, its power source, built for endurance.
Easy, easy. Bring it down slowly.
Mounting the engine demands millimeter accuracy across 4 anchor points.
Engine and transmission become one unit. Power meets control. The clutch housing protects vital moving components from extreme torque. The rear axle forms the backbone of traction and pulling power.
These bolts withstand decades of shock, load, and vibration. Hydraulics allow tractors to lift, push, and operate heavy equipment.
Fuel delivery must stay reliable under heat, vibration, and field dust. Electronics connect every modern system, from ignition to diagnostics. The control unit becomes the tractor's digital brain. Precision brake systems ensure safety on rugged terrain. Steering components bring directional control to life. Before moving forward, every core system must pass its first check. Piece by piece, a functional tractor emerges from raw steel. Now it advances to the next evolution, high-tech automation. Automation takes over, the phase where precision becomes absolute. Robots apply exact torque levels impossible to achieve by hand. Every hydraulic line is sealed with micron-level accuracy. Suspension parts align perfectly under computer-guided positioning.
Automation accelerates processes while maintaining flawless accuracy.
Lasers verify perfect alignment for smooth power delivery. Mounting points must match cabin geometry with absolute precision.
Robotic positioning ensures a stable foundation for operator comfort.
Uniform welds strengthen structural integrity for decades of use. AI-powered inspection ensures no defect escapes the system. Perfect sealing guarantees long-lasting wheel stability. Automation handles tires too heavy for human workers. Even wheel tightening is calibrated to exact manufacturer specifications. Body panels meet the frame with automated grace and precision. Automation reaches where human hands cannot, ensuring optimal consistency. Precision dosing ensures every system begins life with perfect fluid levels. For the first time, the machine breathes, powered by automation. Automation completes its role. Now comes precision finishing. After automation, every tractor receives meticulous human attention. Human precision verifies what machines assemble at high speed. Electrical reliability starts with flawless harness installation. The operator's cockpit takes shape with every button and gauge. Hydraulics must deliver stable lifting force under extreme loads. Precision articulation ensures smooth operation in every field condition.
Steering geometry determines control on uneven terrain.
Every wheel must rotate without wobble to ensure safe handling.
The engine bay undergoes intense scrutiny before closed for good.
The tractor begins to show its final identity as panels lock into place.
Comfort and precision control converge within the operator's cockpit. The cabin enclosure forms, protecting the operator from elements.
Interior wiring powers comfort, visibility, and operator safety. Tempered glass and sealed doors complete the operator environment.
Every surface must shine with factory-perfect finish.
Branding marks identity and ensures compliance with regulations.
Before leaving finishing lines, every system must pass multi-stage diagnostics. Precision finishing ends. Now begins rigorous quality control. Every tractor undergoes rigorous testing to ensure flawless performance.
Visual examination confirms structural integrity and finish quality.
Under the hood, every system must meet strict tolerances.
Digital diagnostics verify the tractor's electronic nervous system.
Braking systems must respond instantly, even under heavy loads.
Hydraulics face stress far beyond normal field conditions. The PTO must deliver stable rotational power for countless implements. Structural tests ensure the tractor withstands the demands of farming terrain. Precise emissions data guarantees environmental compliance.
Cabin acoustics ensure operator comfort across long working hours.
Lighting circuits must withstand vibration, heat, and continuous operation.
Leak-free systems are essential for field reliability.
Alignment confirmed.
Perfect alignment ensures stability on slopes and uneven land. Each unit must demonstrate strength under maximum load.
Sealing tests simulate harsh weather and muddy fields.
Endurance checks confirm the tractor is ready for real-world demands.
Only after passing every inspection is the machine certified.
With quality assured, the tractor moves to the final stage of its journey.
The journey nears its end inside the dispatch warehouse.
Before storage, every tractor is cleaned to delivery condition.
Protection begins long before transport. Sensitive components are shielded against vibration and dust. Transport locks keep the machine secure across long distances. Each tractor receives its final identity and destination. Finished machines rest briefly before shipping.
Every delivery includes essential tools and documentation.
Timing and coordination ensure global delivery precision.
Transport vehicles arrive to carry the finished machines. Precision loading prevents damage before the journey begins. Power meets purpose as the tractor leaves the factory floor.
Final restraints guarantee safe delivery.
Rows of completed tractors await their new owners.
From steel to machine, every unit shares the same journey.
The factory releases its work into the world.
And this is how modern factories produce tractors from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.